Hi guys, so I'm in Delhi for a work trip and today actually is my day off. I was really confused what to do. I thought of visiting a mall because that's some place I haven't been to in Delhi, and I was recommended the Pacific Mall in Tagore Garden because that's supposed to be the best in Delhi. There's lots of shopping, food, entertainment and pampering. So let me take you through my day and you'll have to help me shop, okay? Let's go. So the month of December means Christmas, parties, New Year's, lots of get-togethers. But what gets me most excited is shopping for these occasions. The Pacific Mall has something to offer everyone with the best of brands and some of my favorites like Vero Moda, Calvin Klein, Armani Exchange, American Eagle and Only. From jackets to caps, bags and accessories, I made sure my festive shopping was complete at this one-stop destination. As you can see, I am done with my retail cardio for the day and it's time for me to fill my belly because I am starving. The mall actually has multiple food options to pick from. I'm again confused. There's a Cafeteria Co behind me. They have some interesting food dishes as well. But when in Delhi, eat like a Delhiite. I see there's a Daryaganj as well. Their Indian food is to die for. Let's go. You know, it's rightly said कि खाने के मामले में दिल्ली को कोई टक्कर नहीं दे सकता है. Right now, I am at Daryaganj. This place is known for serving some original recipes from 1947. Now, this is the non-veg platter. This is the veg platter. This is today's butter chicken. This is the butter chicken from 1947, along with the dal makhani from 1947, and everything is absolutely mouth-watering. And that's not all. One can even come and head to their PVR 4DX where you can get a great experience of watching your favorite movies with a 4D touch, or explore some of the best novels at their Shelfie bookstore, amongst the other fun things to do around the mall. Now, I can't have a day off and not pamper my body, right? So I am here at the Geetanjali Salon to get a soothing head massage because they have the perfect fix for it. Wow, so I've had so much fun, lots and lots of shopping, delicious food, entertainment and pampering. You know, in Mumbai, I don't really get the time to go to a mall, so today was so productive and absolutely worth it. If you wish to do the same in Delhi, then you know where to come. I hope you found this video helpful enough. Until then, it's me, Bianca Saurastri. I'll see you soon.